Hey everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to use Infinitepay.io for digital goods. Whether you are selling software, ebooks or online courses, Infinitepay.io provides a secure way to handle your transactions for digital products. So let's get started. First of all, log into your Infinitepay.io account using your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to the digital goods or products section. This is where you can manage sales and transactions for digital products. Select on add a new product or a similar option to set up a digital product listing. Enter details such as the product name, description, price and any other relevant information. Upload any files or provide access details for the digital good. This could include ebooks, software files, or download links. Configure payment options by linking your digital product to your Infinitepay.io account. Set up your preferred payment methods and ensure that transactions are processed securely. Publish your digital product listing and share it with your customers through your website or other sales channels. Monitor sales and transactions through the Infinitepay.io dashboard. You can track down purchases, manage downloads, and handle customer inquiries. Ensure that your digital delivery system is automated to provide customers with instant access to their purchases upon payment. And there you have it. You have successfully learned how to use Infinitepay.io for digital goods. This platform helps you manage and process transactions for your digital products efficiently. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching and see you next time.